Hi friends, welcome to another video. I have not done one of these in a very long time. I know, a video, that too, but I have not done a Grove collaborative haul video for a very long time. So I haven't ordered from them for a while, that's why. Because I was just, I don't know, I got stocked up so much on cleaning supplies, and then I absolutely just got in a funk where I didn't want to clean, and my dad picked up on that because I was working and stuff, and I was just ooh, yeah. And I really think, sorry, there's so much ruckus in here right now. Toby, stop. So my house ended up being really messy, like embarrassingly messy. So I have gotten to a want and need and desire to clean and make more cleaning videos for you guys, because I haven't done that in a very long time, and I know that those are one of the top videos that I make is cleaning videos. I want to do more cleaning videos for you guys, and I have one of my New Year's resolutions is to enjoy cleaning, and I started feeling that way yesterday. I was like, okay, I'm actually having fun with this, so I think I'm making more cleaning videos for you guys pretty soon, because I want to make you guys happy, and it makes me happy and it makes my house clean, so why not? Now I will get to my Grove collaborative haul for you guys, and I will have a link down in my description box below for you guys if you guys are interested in ordering something from Grove, because you get a bunch of free goodies. All right, let's get right to it. First off, I wanted to show you guys this. On the box, it says, they wrote with their own marker, this put "Stay Healthy." I thought that was so sweet. Guys, so I got quite a bit, and I will be completely honest with you, I think most of it was free. So when you start with Grove, you will get some free goodies. You will get a Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaning spray, you'll get a Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, and a Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, and you'll also get these Walnut and Cellulose scrubber sponges. These are incredible. So I used to have a VIP membership with them before, but I changed my email address and I haven't ordered from them for a while. So I started a new account with them with my new email address, and I got to get some freebies. So I got these for my freebies. That was really cool. These are really, really good, you guys. I love these so much. And it's always nice to have these on hand. I needed some new cleaning spray anyways, so I'm glad I got that. All right, and then if you spent, I believe it was, let's see here, $50 or $35, you got this right here. So I got a Grove glass spray bottle and my favorite color. And then it also came with a concentrate. It is the Glass Cleaner Orange and Rosemary Scented Concentrate. So that was really good. If you spent $50, you got a free stoneware tray. Now they do have different freebies throughout this, so if you order it, you may get something different, but I will take this out of the box and show you guys that in a moment. I'm going to show you guys also what I purchased. So I originally got on there to buy some cleaning sprays. I got the Method All-Purpose Lime and Sea Salt, and then I also got the Method All-Purpose Clementine cleaning sprays. I needed to get those. These were around $3 each. Also, I was just a few dollars short of the pre-tax $50, so I was like, well, I'll give this a go. So I ordered the 7th generation. It is the unbleached paper towel. I don't know how good these work, so I was like, I'll give it a try. If I like it, then I'll buy I think it's a 12-pack, or it's a 6-pack for $12. I can't remember, but these are normally $3.49 around there for that. So I got this. I also got this. Okay, I will not lie. I thought this was going to be a lot larger than it is. I thought it was going to be like this long here and just wider, but that's okay. I still think it's really cute. This, I believe, was around $14 or $15. They had it also in a matte white, but I think it had gray writing. But I got the matte gray because I love gray. So I got that. And then I also wanted to get this bottle brush. This is a 2-piece set because you can switch out the heads for this one. This is the universal wand. basically they have other heads you could put on top of here instead of this head. But I wanted this one, so I just got this right here. I believe this was, goodness gracious, like around $7, maybe even $9 for this. I can't remember, but I believe this is walnut right here. It's very all natural. There's no chemicals or anything like that in any of this. And then here is the bottle brush head. It is round all around it. And this was like $3 or $4, I believe. So, I mean, it is not entirely super duper cheap. Yes, you will save money going to the Dollar Tree, but I feel like the quality matters so much in this stuff. And also the fact that there's no chemicals really makes a huge difference. And I love these products. Like, I have used Method for years. I've used Mrs. Meyer's for years, and Grove products for years, and I absolutely love them. All right, and then another thing that I ordered was I needed some more antibacterial spray. So I got the Method Anti-Bac and the scent Wildflower. And it came, you can get this by itself and you get these by yourself, but you could also get them bundled, so it's a better deal. And it is a 3-pack of their microfiber all-purpose cloths. Now, I cannot use these barehanded. I have eczema on my hands and it's dry and it catches. It's just the most uncomfortable feeling ever. So what I do is I just use my cleaning gloves with these and it's perfectly fine. Or I get them sopping wet and then use them and it doesn't bother my skin. So I will open this and I'll open this to show you guys what they look like. So this is what the rags look like, the all-purpose cloths. There's blue, dark gray, and this like minty green color. And they all have a spot for your fingers so you can like easily scrub it, or you can hang these on a hook with those too. But I love that there's 3 of them in this bundle, and I love the colors as well. Sorry, this, I cannot get this off, you guys. I'm trying not to be nasty, but I cannot get that off for some reason. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. I'm gonna try some baking soda scrubs and see if that works. But anyways, back to this. I'll show you guys. I'll open this really quick and show you guys. So this is what it looks like. It just needs to be wiped down, I think. But I like that there's like a lip on them. I have the older version of this in my bathroom. The lip is not as high up, but it's still nice. But I really like the new version of it, the new way it looks. It is a 10 by 5 inch tray. Yeah, I think it's ceramic, so it is breakable, so be careful. But I think this is really cute. You can have this on your kitchen, in your kitchen, next to your sink with like your cleaning products on it, or your soap and lotion on it, or your dish soap and soap on it. Or you can have it in your bathroom for your soap and lotion as well. That's where I have my other one with in my bathroom with the soap and lotion. But yeah, I really like these. I think they're really great. I think these are normally like around $9.95, around that. These are super inexpensive for their worth. These are like $3.95 for the 2-pack, and they are incredible, you guys. They seriously are really good. It's nice to stock up on these too. So yeah, I will put down a link in my description box below if you guys are interested in starting ordering from Grove Collaborative. There's a ton of free things you can get, and you get really fast, super fast shipping. Free shipping on, I think if you're a VIP member, an order has to be like a minimum of $10 and you get fast free shipping. And it's just chemical free. That's just nice. We don't need to take in any nasty chemicals and toxins in our own home. So yeah, so I dig it. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this haul. I just got off of work, so I may be a hot mess right now. My makeup's all smeared and I'm just exhausted. So I will be showing you guys my super quick, simple New Year's resolution video for you guys really soon. And also I have a little vlog video that I'm working on for you guys. So I will be uploading a lot more frequently because that is one of my New Year's resolutions. So I can like, I don't know, a sneak peek to my New Year's resolution video. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, check out the link below in my description box. If you guys are interested in ordering from Grove Collaborative, they do have other things besides cleaning supplies. They also have other home care items. They have beauty and bath stuff too. And it's really good stuff. I am very picky on what I like to buy, and I like to buy from them. So if you guys are curious, definitely check it out. I will leave that link down below for you guys, and you'll get free goodies once you start ordering from them. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Give me a like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys again later. Bye now.